Welcome back to Rolling Stone Acres. Doing a little property maintenance today. Got the water tub draining. We got to clean that out. Got to get down the fly rope, and I have a square tube across the two T-posts to kind of keep everything squared up so it doesn't pull the posts in and then it sags. So I just got to pop that off. We're gonna take the rope down. We're right at the end of fly season. It doesn't pay to redo this rope right now when, like I said, we're basically done for the year. So I'm gonna pull that off of there, and we're gonna go to the back corner of the property and do some fence line maintenance. All right, sorry about the wind today. Got that down, and I left the square tube up for now. I do want to take that down and probably paint it just to keep it from rusting anymore, but save that project for another day. It just helps, like I said, keep the fence and everything is squared up, and keeps those T-posts from leaning in. So we'll head back to the back of the property. The girls are back here somewhere. They're good at hiding in plain sight. But if you look real close, there they are. That's right to the area that we're heading. Got some rain yesterday, so it might be a little bit muddy back here. We'll see. If you're new to the channel, I'll go the long way around the pond so you can kind of get a look at that. This is starting to fill in nice with grass where I cut it out, or dug it out, I guess, earlier this summer. Hello, ladies. And they are actually standing right in the area of concern. So the previous owner, oh my, look at that. Just put hog panels in. Yeah, that's not real secure. And zip ties. Did I work on this before? No, I'm kidding. I didn't put zip ties and hog panels back here, but it's worked for now, but it's made us nervous this whole time. A couple things that can happen. One is they're not very secure. Two is the sun can actually dry rot those and they'll just break. And as you just witnessed, we didn't even realize it wasn't even attached right there. That wouldn't take much effort at all to sneak through there. This field behind us here, they've got some cattle that they're running in there, and they could have a bull mixed in there, and when these ladies go into heat, that could get interesting as far as getting through the fence. But it's all the way along here that needs basically just secured a little better, and it's still not going to be that great because, as you can see, the T-posts aren't in line with the hog panels. So this is going to be another temporarily permanent fix, just to try to make us feel a little better. And it's not like they're escape artists, but like I said, I don't know what's going to happen with the neighbor's bull or whatever, so we're just trying to do our due diligence here. And not that, yeah, like Tara says, not that not that this little bit's going to keep a bull out, or any of the fencing for that matter. I mean, if they want to get in, they're going to get in, but this is more or less to keep them from getting curious, and next thing you know, we're going to find them back in this 5-6 foot tall stuff someday. So, right, ladies, they are pretty content just chilling out here in the shade. It's a beautiful day, and this is one of their favorite spots, not only during the day, but they like to sleep back here. There's this big tree back here that's actually on the neighbor's property that they like to chill out on. And anyway, let's get to work here. What are you doing? All right, it's not great, but it's better. We put the correct holders on there, and these are actually for, like, if you pour concrete, this would hold rebar together. So those will be better than the zip ties. And just kind of went all the way along here, and it's still just kind of a makeshift fence, but it's gonna get us through. This will probably be another winter project. We'll come back here, and there's a good solid post down there we could actually run new wire off of. But they're, you know, they're not leaning on it or pushing on it or anything like that. So it's just a little extra peace of mind, I guess. Did you want something? Well, now that the fences are all mended, I think we better head out there for treat time. And I think that one would agree. All right, we're ready.
Come on, girls.
Come on. Well, Daisy's gonna be first, of course. Annabelle's gonna be late to the party unless she hustles up here. You were out here crying. Now you're taking your now you're taking your sweet time. Here, I'll block the sun for you. There. Come on, Annabelle. She's got grass hanging out of her mouth. Come on. The last 5 feet, you decided to pick up the pace. Ooh, look at that. Oh, she didn't like that. So, Annabelle has a little bit of diarrhea that we're trying to treat. That's what that blue stuff is on that piece of pumpkin right there. Maybe she'll gobble it up to help treat the diarrhea a little bit, a little probiotic. It probably doesn't taste real good. Thought we could trick her and put it on a piece of pumpkin, and she's gonna eat every piece but that, of course. You gotta take your medicine. There you go. Mom's gonna even make it even easier. See if that works. Gobble it up. Gobble it up. You got one piece left. Good girl. She got it. Her tongue's blue. Her tongue's blue. Show everybody your blue tongue. Meanwhile, Miss First in Line over here got cubes and pumpkin. The reason Annabelle's not getting cubes tonight is the diarrhea actually could be from too many cubes, as we're novice farmers here. We're learning some things, so I'm gonna lay off the cubes a little bit, give her some pumpkin, give her some probiotic for a couple days, and hopefully that helps. Right. Well, I think we're going to end this video here. It's been a pretty eventful day. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, tell your friends, comment down below. I always read the comments, and I appreciate that very much. And remember,
Y'all be kind to each other, and God loves you.